This is going to be the main elevator here at the Vendue Hotel in Charleston, South Carolina. Very beautiful lobby. Anyways, we're going to ride the elevators here. Some rooms there. Right here is the elevator, the main one. And here it is. Let's call it. Obviously used to be a Lexan. Appears to be probably modded by Schindler. See, look. Otis. Let's go up to 3. It sounds like the motor's original, but they just replaced the controller and the fixtures and stuff. But unfortunately, you can't hear it on camera because of the fan. Just taking a video of the elevator. How are you doing?
Okay, how you doing?
One. I'll hold the door for you. Yeah, this is definitely a Schindler mod. Listen closely. Yeah, it sounds like the motor's probably original, but they just overhauled everything else, though. There's your key switch, your lantern, innovation. There's your interlock, Schindler brailles, Otis. Alright, look at the door frame. Call it in. Let's get a view of the cab of it, as I want to look around real quick up here. Alright, let's watch it get close. Here's a view of the hallway. It's just some gallery rooms. Oh, I love these paintings here. Storage closet. Yeah, this place, as you can see, is non-ADA compliant, not because the elevator is too small, and as you can see, you have to take stairs to get to the rooms, so. And these are your stairs. Very old-fashioned looking. And there's more rooms here. Oh, just an individual room. 2 rooms. That's strange. Alright, let's head back to where... Sorry. Let's head back to where the elevator is. And we'll go back down to 1.
What's up?
I'm just taking a video of the elevator. I ride elevators as a hobby, and
Oh, cool.
Yeah. How are you doing?
Good, thanks. How about you?
Doing great.
Good.
It's a very beautiful city.
It is. It's your first time? Or?
I've gone here several times, but you know, but I visit here a lot though.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It is very pretty.
Have a good time.
You too. In the door. Fire service. And anyways, there it goes. And that's gonna be it.